Hi, I'm Steve, the Floor Plan Man, and this is why you should be using a floor plan on every single one of your property listings. Number 1. It increases click-through rates on your properties online. That's right, a property without a floor plan is likely to get 30% less action. Also, data gathered by the UK property portal Rightmove shows that 1 in 5 buyers would skip past a property if it didn't have a floor plan, only returning if nothing else caught their eye. Number 2. It drives traffic to your website. Having a correctly presented listing on a property portal will drive people to your website, maybe even straying away from the generic postcode or even map search on Zoopla and Rightmove. The longer that people are on your website, the less time they're looking at your competitors' properties. Number 3. It fuels imagination. Looking to buy or rent a property can be stressful, but everybody loves window shopping, and this is where you can capitalise using a floor plan. A floor plan allows people to visualise the property, mentally walking around it, creating intrigue, tempting people to contact you for more information. Number 4. It attracts vendors. Attracting vendors is really important. It's not just about getting rid of a property once you've got it on board. Now, floor plans can be a great tool for this. Simple 2D, 3D or even photo plans can really add to the service that you're offering. And when a vendor comes to instruct, this could mean the difference between getting that instruction or losing it. It also means that you can upsell. You could maybe offer a 2D floor plan with your standard service, or upgrade and charge a little bit more for a 3D plan. Number 5. Floor plans can actually save you time. Now obviously I work for PlanUp, but I speak for all floor plan software providers when I say that we do everything to make sure that we can save you time. We understand that not everybody enjoys doing floor plans. Some of you love it, some of you hate it, but we understand it's a necessary evil in today's market. So we make sure that we fill our software with time-saving features, ultimately negating the time it takes to create a floor plan by adding other jobs into it at the same time. And having a floor plan on all of your listings will gain extra instructions, sales and lets.
It's free real estate.
Number 6. Earn more money. Many floor plan software providers offer multiple outputs for the floor plan that you create. Use these to your advantage. Upsell, create a premium service. It's free money. People are willing to pay more if they believe that they're getting more out of it. You're being more productive with your time, so if you offer a premium service, also you can then upsell on the top of that. So in summary, whether you love or hate floor plans, they're an essential in today's market. Now believe me, I've heard all of the excuses as to why an agent might not use a floor plan. With any software, there's going to be a bit of a learning curve. And yes, initially, there will be time that you have to invest to get used to the software. But any floor plan software worth its salt is simple to use, accurate, and actually quite quick to learn. The bottom line is, if you're not using floor plans on all of your listings, you're missing a trick compared to your competitors. So if you don't currently use floor plans, maybe it's time you invested in some floor plan software. And if you already do use floor plans, maybe you should look into all of the options and the extras that your provider offers in an attempt to upsell or at least streamline what you're doing. Floor plans can save you time and earn you extra money. And as Benjamin Franklin once said, remember, time is money. And he's got his face on banknotes.